Okay, let's dive into this primer on cybersecurity, starting with a simple question. Think about all the places your personal information exists online. It's kind of everywhere. For starters, it's in your private communications and all those sensitive messages. Then you got your financial accounts, your transaction histories. And of course, your personal memories, all those photos just stored up in the cloud. And yeah, it's even in the data that tracks your every single move. See, all of this data exists on a new frontier, a digital one that needs defending. So, what is cybersecurity? Well, at its core, it's the defense of our digital world. And it's more than just antivirus. That's one tool. Cybersecurity is the entire strategy. This protection goes way beyond your personal computer. It's about everything. And what's really interesting is how wide its scope is, covering three main areas. We're talking your personal identity, to business secrets, to critical national infrastructure. So let's see how these threats actually play out in the real world. These are some of the most common dangers you're likely to run into online. Let's just break down how a simple phishing scam actually works, shall we? It's brilliant, really. Attackers just trick users into giving up valuable information. So this entire field is about building smarter, stronger, and better defenses. And this is why it matters so much. Every single connected device is a potential entry point. Protecting your own data actually helps strengthen the security of the entire network, for everyone. The takeaway here is that this isn't a one-time fix. It's a constant state of readiness. And that leaves us with a final, crucial question to ask yourself.